Hello everybody, my name is Gatis Kandis and I got two balls. A small one and a big one. So radius of the small one is 1.25 centimeters and radius of the big one is exactly 10 times bigger. Therefore it's 12.5 centimeters. And as you can see, I already put them here on the board. So this is the small ball, as you can see, and this is a big one. And so now the big question is, how much bigger is the area of the big circle versus the small one? And for that, we're going to use a very beautiful formula, which is A for area equals pi times radius squared. That's it. Very simple formula. So let me calculate. So the area of the small circle is 4.9 square centimeters. So I'm going to write it here. 4.9 square centimeters. Now calculate area of the big one. And the area of the big circle is 490. Let me write it down. 490 square centimeters. And you can probably notice something. That's right. This number is exactly 100 times bigger than this one. So, when the radius changes 10 times, the area changes 100 times. That makes me very curious. What happens if we start measuring the volume? So now I'm going to calculate volume of this one, and then I'm going to calculate volume of the big ball. And to calculate volume, we have even more beautiful formula, which is V for volume equals 4 thirds times pi again and times r, but this time not squared but cubed, so it's 3. So this beautiful formula I'm gonna now use to calculate the volumes. And after quick calculation, I found out that volume of this little ball is 8.18 cube centimeters. So I'm gonna write it here, probably here. Volume equals 8.18 cubic centimeters. So now I am super curious to find out what is the volume of this massive ball. So let me do that. In fact, I'm going to show you how I do this. So 4 divided by 3 times 3.14 times, so 12.5 once, times 12.5 twice, times 12.5 3 times. And the result is, you can see 8,177, which I'm going to write down. I'm going to write down the volume for this one, for the big ball, is 8,177 cube centimeters, which you can probably see again. That is now, this time, that is 1,000 times bigger than this number. So, basically, the volume of this tiny ball is 1,000 times smaller than of this ball. And you probably notice now there's a logic. You know, when we go 10 times bigger in a radius, that means in a area becomes 100 times bigger. Volume becomes 1,000 times bigger. So this is 3 dimensions. Imagine if we were going up to 4 dimensions. That means it would go up 10,000 times. If we went up to the 5 dimensions, it would go up to 100,000 times. And if we went all the way up to the 6 dimensions, it would go up 1,000,000 times. Imagine that's a lot. That's a big number. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will speak to you soon.